Here are 2 ways to share an image without the background. If you get value from this video, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it, so thanks for doing that. I have an image here. I'm just going to tap and hold on the puppy and then let go. Now we have the option to copy. I'm going to do that, copy to my clipboard, and then head over to iMessages, tap into any message, and then tap right here, then paste, and there's our cutout image with no background. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. That was the easiest way that I just showed you. The second way, you tap and hold, and now you can drag this image around. Now keep holding on your screen with your other finger. With your other finger, open this. See, we still have the puppy there. Open our chat or our message thread, and then you can just drop it right there. Yeah, puts it right into, you can drop it anywhere, puts it into the message, and then you can send it like that. So that's 2 different ways you can send an image without a background really easily. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. If you haven't done that before, it's about time you did it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.